galat ban penyar susu yang jingnang jing start hak pule puthi ka Saint Xavier's College Ooj Mogurwat Southwest Castles District hak khandai direk noilar corruption kala play pajba yang Loyola block hak ke college yang ni ke block lawan man play pajba do ba al hek menteri badi khmi international fisheries kumu kongsan kumjuru yang jingil akai mama mia hak jingiran lang deputy commissioner ke Southwest Castles District ba bi maulong unong elam ke BCP retired IPS officer uba M Kharkrang principal ke college for the Augustine Sani ki kme ki kpa ki kena school ki riu pokmar ka thaj Mogurwat bat ki wedi ki he officer sarkar hagani ka sngi kala don ru ka jingpun ko buram ki Samla puli ki bapas ba but your distinction ki subject ba fair haki exam bala penlong daga Northeastern Hill University habukran nagni ki jinglang ba hek loyro ki Saint Xavier's College kabla tay ki jinglong scam jing kena school pa khamtam e hak jingpun roi ki sap ki phong shaki Samla puli.
You know, when I saw the completely dark, when I reached here, the complete sunshine and lights we can see in this Saint Xavier College. So we congratulate to the all who has really conceptualized for this program today, and particularly to Basain Marwig, who has really wonderfully choreographed this act, which is I feel that I'm not in the Umar, but I am in the California, the film city of your United States. Really, I forgot myself that I am here in Southwest Castles. What we are talking about here, some time back about the skill developments, how to create the personality. That is the need of the hour, the need of the day. That we have seen today, many of our students, our children, they don't understand how to choose their academic, how to choose their field. But when I've seen today, they are very self-confident. Everybody has self-confidence, every one of you. It is so talented. And I really must put a record step to congratulate to each one of you. I used to tell in the other school, when to attend the other school in Shillong, another part of Shillong, I said that when you are sending your students to study for any academic future career, they should have the demand driven. The demand driven in the market today is very important. The students should understand which field, which subject to study where the demand drivens are available in the market. So that is very important.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya